this is Mr.x here. It's been a long time since I have put a YouTube video here. All those previous videos would be in Tamil. Now I'm putting this in English. It's because I want to connect with another fellow trader or traders around the world who use the market like me, or who understand the way I take trades, I view the market, I use those concepts. I basically trade supply demand, order blocks, liquidity, market structure. These are my primary tools. So basically trading is a lonely journey. Everyone has to go through their phase, everyone has to go through their journey alone by themselves. It's been 5 years for me. I've been trading full time from 2020 September. So I'm still unprofitable, by the way. I have passed multiple phase 1 accounts but failed in phase 2 accounts. I know it's a bit psychological. I didn't follow the plan those times. I know that, but still it is a very, very difficult journey because as you know, it is very personal. It is very lonely journey. I don't have any mentor, or I don't have anyone to hold me back or held me responsible online, so that if any one of you watching this can resonate with the way I view the markets, or with the way I use the trading concepts, just comment down here so that we can connect, so we can get benefited from both of us. So that's why I'm putting the video here. This video is about a trade I took on Monday. Right now I'm trading futures account. Futures. I stopped using CFD markets. I was taking intraday trades on 15-minute time frames. Sometimes it lasts 2 to 3 days. So right now I'm completely shifted to scalping. Not mindless scalping. It's still based on the higher time frame. So it's about a trade that I took this week, Monday. The date was I don't know. Yeah, it is Monday, 5th of Jan. So I trade gold Asian session. I am from India, so the timing here is UTC plus 5:30. Yeah, let's go into the chart. So when the market opens here, this is the market open. It opened with gap up. We don't need those things since we are just scalping. So it shows the bullishness. That's it. I usually, when I open the chart, I spot liquidity. Here the liquidity is resting here. This is the liquid point. So basically what I want price to do is to collect this liquidity. That's it. That's my idea for the day. And my entry model is simple. It's sweep and break and inducement. This is my entry model. This is an order block. The order block should collect a liquidity. It should have inducement, and if price taps on here, then we can put a limit here and we can target the next high or next liquidity point, whatever it is. So basically I operate in limit entries. Most of the time it would be limit entries, 9 out of 10 times. Sometimes it would be market executions. So let's go. This is in 1 hour time frame, and let's go to 15M. 15M still the same. This is the area that price wants to go. This is the liquid point, because we can see that price is pushing actually higher, and we have swept liquidity from here. So price eventually will go this liquid area because orders are sitting here, and we have opened with gap up. So the entry model which just I shared you now, if that appears, we can take a trade. See, you can see this here. This is an order block. It has swept liquidity. The liquidity here is just previous candle lows. That is a liquidity. And to combine this, you can see this here. This area has collected liquidity. This area has collected liquidity. It has inducement. If price comes this way in a slow manner and forms a trendline liquidity, we have imbalance here, which is we call FEG. So we can slap a limit into here, and our targets are, as we discussed, this one. This is our targets. So let's play the chart here. Yeah, we are coming that way. If you are not sure about this idea or this POV, we can always wait for a confirmation from here. Maybe a bullish candle, or some sort of engulf or a candlestick confirmation entries. So yeah, yes, this is the confirmation that we were looking for, because yes, if you look at this, we have already broke the structure here in candlestick. I don't usually use line charts those much, but it helps us to identify the opportunities. Let's put it like this. After tapping a order block, price printed a bullish engulfing candle. So this is a what you call say highest form of confirmation for me. So I use as I told you, I'm using futures trading. I took this trade, and it is as simple as that. And also another trade I took here. My target here is 6R, because due to 40% consistency, I should only make $600 per day. I risk only $100. I use 25K account, so it's very low risk, unlike other people. Since my RR is actually higher lot of the times, so I use a $100 risk. I'm thinking of increasing it to $150. So this was it, and you can see that price struggle here, and yeah, this was another entry, because we swept the liquidity here and we made market structure shift, which you call MSS or structure break. Simply you can call it as choke or BOS, whatever it is. I slapped a market execution here, covering this low, because you could see price has swept liquidity from here, so price will not go below this area. So I put the limit entry, put the market execution, and put the stop loss below this candle low, and let it run. My overall target is 6R, so somewhere it closed here, I don't remember, but both trades hit 3R TP, that's it. Yeah, that's it. And eventually our overall target was also hit. I don't know when it was hit, but it got hit. Yeah, you could see, because that is the liquid point. If you open the chart, it's very easy. The liquidity point should be very easy. It is very easy. We can actually even target till here. So if you can resonate with this form of viewing the market or with this way of trading, just comment down so that we can connect. I'll explain the concepts one by one. Maybe you might have studied liquidity or market structure. If you're an ICD trader, you would have known that, what you call MMXM, those things, those stuffs. It's just simplify those terms as liquidity and market structure. Everything is around this. What you call PO3, everything. Mostly PO3. I don't want to use the terms here because everything is just same. Simply, price will go from one point of liquidity to another point of liquidity. That's it. And we are trying to hop in between somewhere to target the liquidity. The entry here is basically based on our entry model. It would be different from for each person. As I told you, my entry model is this. Extreme. I always enter from the extreme of the leg. Price should have collected some form of liquidity. It should have inducement, and price would remitigate the order block, and then it would shoot to the target. The target is also liquid area. So this is how I trade. If you can connect, if you can resonate with the way I trade, just comment down. I don't plan on creating any course or stuff, because there are a lot of traders, lot of people who are unprofitable but still they are selling courses. I don't want to be one of them. I want real genuine growth. I want to connect fellow traders who are also struggling. Let's get our target. Let's smash our goals. Yeah, just comment down if you see this video, and if you see this till now, and if you can understand or resonate with this, just please comment down. Let's connect together. Thank you.